Good morning, students. Today I am going to start a new chapter. Today I am going to start a new chapter, chapter number 12. Chapter number 12 of Standard 7 SS. Standard 7 SS, chapter number 12. And today it is the first lecture, first video. And the name of the chapter is Effects of Atmosphere. Effects of atmosphere on living beings. Effects of atmosphere on living beings. My dear student, the very first line of the chapter says about the origin of the earth. The earth separated from the sun. And my dear student, at that time, at the origin of the earth, it was in the form of fireball. Okay, and slowly it cooled down. Okay, when slowly it cooled down. Okay, so it's transformed into different layers. Okay, so I have written elements lie in it began to transform into liquid, solid and gaseous form. Okay, so slowly the earth started cool down, and my dear student, different layers found. Okay, it transformed into different layers. Okay, the solid form that is called lithosphere. It transformed into liquid form that is called hydrosphere. Hydrosphere, and my dear student, it transformed into gaseous form that is called atmosphere. So my dear student, in last year also we learned, in previous chapter also we learned about how many types of spheres are there, which are there. So there are 4 types of spheres: lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere and biosphere. We have already learned. Okay, now here we are going to learn about atmosphere and its part. Okay, in the atmosphere also there are 4 spheres. Number 1, that is called troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere and thermosphere. Okay, but my dear student, when I would like to explain. In lithosphere we learn about when we go deep. Okay, the temperature increases. Okay, but here atmosphere means we are going up, we are going on altitude. Okay, so till how many kilometers, up to how many altitude, different spheres are there, my dear student. But before that we have to learn about the definition of atmosphere. What is called atmosphere? Atmosphere means the layer of air that surrounds the earth from all 4 sides, that is called atmosphere. Okay, the layer of air that surrounds the earth from all 4 sides, that is called atmosphere. Now, when we consider about atmosphere, it means we are going high. We are going on high altitude, height. Okay, so it is written there. It extends, the atmosphere, it extends to an altitude. Altitude means height. To an altitude of hundreds of kilometers height. Okay, so my dear student, here when I will explain about nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, helium. Okay, that time I will explain till how many heights. Okay, kilometer we are fine. Here I have written, my dear student. Okay, nitrogen is found up to 130 kilometers. Nitrogen is found up to 130 kilometers. Nitrogen. Then come down, little come. Oxygen is found up to 110 kilometers. Nitrogen 130. oxygen 110. Now carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is a very dense, okay, dense. That's why it is found up to 20 kilometers. Up to 20 kilometers. So here written, carbon dioxide is found approximately 20 kilometers. And my dear student, so when we consider about that, so first comes carbon dioxide, oxygen, nitrogen, and last one that is called helium and hydrogen. Helium and hydrogen that is found above 130 kilometers, means carbon dioxide, oxygen, nitrogen, helium and hydrogen. Okay, got it? So I have written here, and atmospheric gases, okay, atmospheric gases composed of solid elements, liquid elements and gaseous. Okay, my dear student, when we consider about the fog, okay, dew, that also comes. Okay, so here now when we consider about different types of atmosphere, there are four parts are there. Number one, that is called troposphere. Troposphere. My dear student, in troposphere we find storm, sound, waves, wind formation, rain, lightning. Okay, and my dear student, it is the first layer. It is the, when we consider about atmosphere, the first layer, first part, that is called troposphere. First one is troposphere. It is the first layer. Extends up to 16 kilometer. Extends up to 16 kilometer. And my dear student, okay, 16 kilometer at equator. Okay, it extends up to 16 kilometer at equator, 12 kilometers at temperate zone, and 8 kilometer that is on frigid zone, in frigid zone. Okay, remember 16 kilometer at equator, 12 kilometer at temperate zone, and 8 kilometer that is in a frigid zone. What is? Second one, the temperature decreases. The temperature decreases at the rate of 6.5 degrees Celsius per kilometer. My dear student, when I explained the chapter, okay, previous chapter about lithosphere, I said when we go deep, the temperature increases. Here we are going up. That's why temperature decreases. Increases, decreases. Okay. Second one, after troposphere, the second layer that is called stratosphere. In atmosphere, four are there. Troposphere, that I have already explained. Second one, that is called stratosphere. So where we find? Here it is written. Okay, extends from troposphere to height of about 50 kilometer. Okay, troposphere 16 kilometer, stratosphere from there till 50 kilometer, 50 kilometer. Okay, and here my dear student, here the air is clean and thin, and that is why it is suitable for the flying of plane, jet plane. My dear student, in stratosphere we are not getting atmospheric storm, sound, waves, wind formation, rain and lightning. Here the air is clean and thin. The air is clean and thin, and that is why it is suitable for jet plane. Okay, so jet plane can fly faster in this stratosphere. I will ask as a give reason. Okay, when I will explain about the give reasons, that time I am going to ask one question from here also. Third one is mesosphere. Once again I repeat, troposphere, stratosphere, and third one is mesosphere. Okay, what is called mesosphere? The part of atmosphere up to an altitude of about 80 kilometers. Remember, 60 kilometers, 50 kilometers, and here 80 kilometers. Okay, once again, 16, 50, and 80 kilometers above the troposphere is called, that is called mesosphere. Once again, the part of atmosphere up to an altitude of about 80 kilometers above the stratosphere is called mesosphere. And last one is thermosphere. Okay, last one is thermosphere. My dear student, it is difficult to say till how many kilometers. Okay, but still we are considering up to hundreds of kilometers something. Okay, it is difficult to say, but still we are considering hundreds of kilometers something, not exactly. Okay, my dear students, second part is about, second part, soon after that we are going to discuss about weather, climate and temperature. Now what is called weather? What is, when we watch news, we the last thing comes weather report. Okay, the condition of humidity, temperature for a short time, that is called weather. That is called, when we open our mobile, we say a weather report. So it's the temporary, for a short period, the average condition of a humidity, temperature, that is called weather. And for a long time, more than 35 years, that is called climate. Remember, the average condition of a temperature, humidity, that is called weather for short time, and for long time, that is called climate. That is called climate. And last one is about temperature. Temperature means heat. Okay, that is the air. My dear student, here I would like to say about weather, climate and temperature. Temperature, my dear student, means heat. Okay, slowly increases. And my dear student, what is here? During the daytime, temperature increases, while night time temperature decreases. In a daytime increases, night time decreases. Okay, my dear student, again I am going to explain about some other things. Okay, wind. Okay, in second video I am going to explain about wind. Before that I am going to revise this thing also, and third part I am going to explain about forest. Okay, so here I am just winding up. My dear student, copy down this thing in your notebook. Thank you.